the best software to use for print-on-demand business. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can start your very own print-on-demand business. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on gelato.com, and this is one of the best print-on-demand websites out there. One of the best ones out there is because of its compatibility. It's producing in 34 different countries worldwide, thousands of online stores connect to Gelato, which is why it's one of the best ones out there. Gelato has the best score in the POD industry, which is a 4.7 score out of 5. It's easy to start an international business with because they have the biggest production network in the world with over 100 partners in 34 different countries. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can set up your account, how easy it is to use, how easy it is to integrate with other stores, and how you can easily start your international business, how you can customize your product, how you can upload a design. Pretty simple. So let me show you. So first things first, we're going to sign up. The sign up process is very simple and it's free to use, so you don't have to worry about that. Just simply click on the sign in button over here if you already have an account, or you can just simply click on the sign up option over here to get started. So I'm going to click on sign up. It's very simple. So this is the sign up page over here, and as you can see, you can easily sign up with either your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple account, or your email. Pretty simple. But I'm going to go ahead and sign up with my Google account, and I'll catch you guys in a second. And also guys, if you wanted to sign up and get a cheaper account, just simply click the link down in the description below and you'll be able to get a discount and a free trial as well. So keep that in mind. So over here, they're just basically asking you a bunch of questions that you can answer. I'm just exploring for myself. You can answer whatever you want. I'm going to choose clothing over here. You can choose whichever product you're trying to sell. And how did you hear about it? Over here, you can enter in like Instagram or YouTube. I'm going to search for YouTube and let's, click on finished. All right, so once you've signed up, this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your dashboard right here. And over here, there's going to be some recommendation products. And over here, going to be a small checklist that you have to complete to, finalize your store. So just simply connect to a store, create a product, and publish to your store. I'm going to show you all three of these, and it's very simple and easy to use. As I said before, it's so easy to integrate with other stores as well. It's one of the best ones out there. That's why I like it. So first things first, what we need to do is we need to connect to a store, right? We need to integrate it with another store. And Gelato, is compatible with a lot of different platforms. So if you click on choose platform over here, you will see we have Shopify and Etsy. These are the two biggest platforms that people use to connect with Gelato. And then we have custom over here. You can create your own custom store. And then you have your platform and Wix platform, WooCommerce platform, and Squarespace, BigCommerce, eBay, Amazon. We have Magenta over here. We have a bunch of different other ones as well. So as you can see, it's pretty simple and it's really, really good. Let's go ahead and connect to a Shopify account, which is very simple. All right. So all I would have to do is click on connect over here, and then it's going to take me over here where I just have to find the application. And before I do that, I need to log into my Shopify account. So I'm going to log in and I'll catch you guys in a second. So once you've logged in, this is how it's going to look like, right? Then just simply click on find app, and then it's going to take you over to the Shopify app store where you just simply add it to your store. So I'm just simply going to choose my account real quick. And over here, we just simply have to install the application. So click on install app and you are good to go. Now, remember guys, I just want to point out again that if you are interested in Gelato and you want to, create an account on Gelato, then be sure to click the link down in the description below, as you will get a free 30-day trial as well for Gelato Premium as well. And then it's going to just simply install the application onto my Shopify account. And then we are good to go. So now we have connected with our Shopify account, and over here they're going to ask you how would you like to import and process your orders. You have two options. You can either use the automatic version, which will import all future orders into Gelato automatically and send orders to the production automatically as well, or you can choose manually so that you have more control over it. I recommend, if you don't want any hassle or stuff like that, but if you want to have full control, then manual is good to go. And then what you need to do is just simply connect your products, right? That is going to be our next step either way within the checklist. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new product over here. So over here, you can choose whichever type of product you want. So we have calendars, cards, stationery, you have women's clothing, kids, babies, all of that. So for now, I'm just going to choose men's clothing. And over here, we have some other clothing wear for men, such as t-shirts, tank tops, sleeves, and organic, and hoodies and stuff like that. But if you're chosen the premium account, which you can if you click the link down in the description below, then you have some more premium type of clothing as well, such as a premium crew neck t-shirt, premium hoodies, and stuff like that. For now, I'm just simply going to go ahead and click on the normal t-shirt. And And over here, I'm just simply going to choose the unisex classic t-shirt over here. And then it's going to take you over to the design section where you just simply design your products. Over here, you just simply upload your design and just paste it over here and just move it around, change the colors of your product, decide which type of colors you want, such as white, gray, or maybe even black. Over here, as you can see, this is the gray version and this is the black version right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a design. Now you can easily create a design using Canva. It's a free tool that allows you to create awesome looking designs online, and you won't even have to worry about that because it's so easy to do so. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly create a design and I'll show you how it looks like. So I'm gonna sign in into Canva over here. So over here, I'm just simply gonna go ahead and search for t-shirts as well. Right here, we have our t-shirt designs over here. You can go ahead and choose some of these templates if you want to, so that it looks pretty cool. Like these templates looks really good. I really like this one, so I'm going to choose this one. But this one looked pretty amazing for the black version, because of the black aesthetics. So you can go with that one, or you can go with the white one, which also is pretty cool. Actually, I'm going to go with the black version, and I'm going to delete the background so that it doesn't mismatch with the shirt. Now this is a pro version, but yeah, it doesn't matter. You can go ahead and easily create something like this on your own as well. Or actually, you know what, I'm going to use this one right here because it has the angel on it. And I'm going to delete the background over here. I'm going to turn it white. All right, now we just change the black background to the white background, and boom, this is how it looks like. Looks pretty cool, right? So now we just simply click on share and we just download the template. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here onto our design section. As you can see, the black wasn't completely black. It was a little bit different. That's why I removed the black background. So now we just simply click on add new, add image over here from my device. You can go ahead and use the other options that it gives you. For now, I'm just simply going to upload it over here. This is the template right here. And then just choose your image that you want to upload. So this is how it looks like, right? So I mean, it would have looked pretty cool on a white shirt as well. Like as you can see, you could have gone with the black version as well, but it all depends on you. I think the white looks pretty cool as well. Then so you can go ahead and add some text over here on the background. Then you can go with the different layout as well. You can add Getty images, graphics, or Shutterstock or collection if you want to, but pretty much that's it, right? Then you just simply click on continue to media. And then over here, you choose your mockup style. So you choose your models, whichever type one you want, such as over here, I like this one that you want. So these are for the premium version. As you can see right here, we'll choose this one over here. And we'll choose that one. Yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. Nothing too crazy. Everything is simple. Then you just simply continue to details. And over here, you add in the details of your product. You add your prices, the description, the name of the shirt, and all of the other things over here as well. And then you just simply click on prices over here as well. So just click on continue to prices. And over here, you can add in your prices. You'll have your initial costs over here and selling over here as well. And then over here on the right side, you will have your profits. Then if you want to make some changes, just simply click over here and you can change your prices. But for now, I think this looks good. Then we'll just simply click on publish. And then over here, it will automatically, publish to your account right here. So as you can see, it's publishing as of right now. We have some other products over here that we can publish as well, but it all depends on you. So we'll just wait for it to publish and we are good to go. Actually, while it's publishing, I just want to say that why I love Gelato is because it has one of the best and easy to use, as you can see over here, template, easy to create, easy to integrate. If we go over here onto Trustpilot, and if I just simply search for, let's say, Gelato, as you can see, it has one of the highest scores on print on demand websites, over here on Trustpilot. So as you can see, it has a trust score of 4.7, which is really good. And if we just go back and look at all the other print on demand, options over here, if I just simply search for, let's say, print on demand, then as you can see over here, all of these print-on-demand stores and websites, Gelato ranks at the top. It has the highest scores in all of the print-on-demand industry, as you can see over here. It's one of the best ones out there. So as you can see, the product has now been officially connected to our store. So now if I just simply go over to my Shopify account over here, as you can see, if I click on the products over here, you will see that we have the shirt available right here. So as you can see, it's active and it's ready to be sold. As you can see over here, in less than 15 minutes, I've showed you how you can integrate with Gelato, how you can create a product, and how you can connect it and sell it online to your own favorite store. Click on the link here down in the description below and get 50% off on your first order. So as you can see, it's one of the best ones out there. And if you're wondering where you can get it, simply click the link down in the description below. And as I said before, you will get a premium version of Gelato, and it's one of the best ones out there. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.